Let's proceed on the fourth part. Okay, oh gosh. Tiger, lion, panda, and what's this? I can't figure it out. A monster? Giraffe? Ah no, it's not a kangaroo. Ah no, gorilla. It's a gorilla. And then what's this? It should be a panther or it's in my mind and it's in my tongue, but I can't figure it out. Sorry. So we're on the part 4, okay? Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa, not Mona Lisa. Oh, there's a contrast. And let's proceed in here. Oh gosh. So amazing. It looks like real. Can I touch it? Ah, okay. Oh gosh. See those? Enjoy it with your bold eyes, guys and girls. So let's proceed in here at the back. There's still more. Wow! OMG. See that? They are all talented. Gosh. Can I touch it? Oh wow. Oh, sorry. See those? The work of art. It's really a masterpieces. Let's proceed in here. Dikya, Banco, OMG.
Basta yung presyo mo. Hindi ka naman ulit i-debenda ng presyo mo. Kasi may platform kami spend by platform system.
Hold on.